That's good. Oh, check out this new video I found. Pretty funny, huh?
The unlikely hero, it was a cat who caught the burglar on the loose, reversing his car at a high speed into the flailing robber.
You're in on it too, Michael? I expected more from you. Hey dear Kevin, happy birthday to you. Kevin! Check this out. Are you thinking what I'm thinking? Micah, you eat your veggies? I mean, that makes sense, but I feel like you need... Oh, looks like you got a new friend request, Michael. Relationship status is...
Hi, welcome to Movie 7. What can I get for you guys?
Yeah, we'll get 2 for Iron Cat.
Ooh, yeah, sorry about that.
And we'll always be friends forever.
Okay, so I'll trade you 2 chocolates for... Oh, that. Give me that.
I'll give you this one.
Okay, fine. Deal. The brown one.
Okay.
Yeah.
Give me some.
Here you go, Mike. Happy Halloween.
I miss her so much.
See you later, Chloe.
Bye, sweet pea.
Discover
You know, you make a valid point, and my thought is that if you were to take 2 gallons of milk and separate them, then you no longer... All right, Michael. Lunchtime. District 3, that's a 10-4. Okay, so the agenda for today is writing tickets. Good afternoon, James. What a guy, James. I tell you, he is as slick as they come. Oh, who is this? New guy. Some festive music.
District 3, we got a code 10.
We're just joining a pursuit. This has been going on since Newhall Pass on the 5 freeway, southbound.
Put your paws where I can see him. Okay, call it off. Have a good day, sir. And they'll always be friends forever. Okay, I'm off to get cat food. You guys be good now. Okay, I'm off to school. Michael, forgot my coffee.
Have a holly jolly Christmas, it's the best time of the year. Now I don't know if there'll be snow, but have a cup of cheer.
Okay, Michael, 6 a.m. Time for school.
Okay, one pick left. We'll take the rat.
Now, some of you may be wondering, how do I approach this? Well, the answer is if you need your approach that Mike!
Well, yeah, if you're done, we can watch some TV. Sawyer, is that Michael's homework again? Mike, got a lot of dishes to do. Gonna take care of those anytime soon? Here we have the living room, and you'll see. Mike, you ready? Hey Mike, have you by chance seen my toothbrush?
Forever, you and me, every day. Will you do something for me? Michael, just picture your life for me. Keep it down. 30 years from now, 40 years from now, what's it look like?
So with our organic growth projections, you can see we hit a 4%. You can see here we have the positive profit margins here. Nice ride. What's it retail for? So Kevin's not going to be able to make the camping trip this weekend. Says his girlfriend's making him go shopping. Okay. Phil, welcome to the neighborhood. Can we sing you some Christmas carols? We'll take that as a yes. A 1, a 2, a 1, 2, 3.